Hi, this is Michael Kanellos. We're at Pi World 2018. This is where operational engineers and companies get together to talk about the latest going on in technology. And I'm talking to John Burney of Petasense. John, give us the overview of what Petasense does.
Absolutely. Well, Petasense, we provide an end-to-end IoT-based predictive maintenance system for optimizing asset reliability. So we mount these wireless vibration sensors on industrial machines and sends the data out, vibration data out wirelessly to the cloud. On the cloud, we run machine learning to provide some analytics to our end users.
Now, what are some of the early success stories you've had? You worked with Silicon Valley Power, didn't you?
That's right, yeah. So Silicon Valley Power is one of our earliest customers. We've been with them now for about 2 years, and we monitor a variety of balance of plant equipment from cooling tower fans to generator fans, pumps, gearboxes. And so one of the great use cases that we had was where we were able to catch a defect on one of the generator fans and effectively reduce the unplanned downtime required to replace that asset. And a lot of this is available as well on Pi, so that makes it really easy to see these asset data alongside of the process parameters as well.
Now, how difficult is vibration data? I mean, people have told me it's like 200,000 or more signals a second, and then but you can interpret that fairly accurately.
Right, yeah, vibration is definitely a more complex parameter in terms of if you're looking at temperature or pressure. But what you can do is what's called spectral analysis. So essentially you're looking at the different frequencies that are occurring within a vibration waveform, and you're able to specifically say what type of a defect is happening just by looking at those isolated frequencies in the spectrum.
And now you're also moving into the next generation project. You were telling me earlier,
right,
to different parameters.
That's right, yeah. So our new product will be launching in the next month, the Petasense Transmitter. It's a sensor input module that will allow you to plug in up to 3 of different types of sensors, such as pressure, current, ultrasound, just to name a few, and stream that data up wirelessly as well.
Utilities mostly, or are you going to also branch out a new wider?
We are looking at other verticals as well. I'd say our sweet spot is in energy for sure. About 70% of our customers are in energy, but we are looking at applications for pharmaceuticals, oil and gas, and metals and mining as well, just to name a few of those.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.